Facebook, YouTube. We're at it again. Today's Monday the 24th. We are on a carpet job today. The new homeowner found us online, saw reviews, and booked on the spot. We are doing a total of 7 areas at $60 per area, and they are excited to get it done. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Beautiful day out here in Columbia, Illinois. Stay tuned for some results, and as always, thanks for watching. We'll give us some more brochures here. We always do this to our clients for good measure. All right, guys, let's go.
This is what we're doing. Hey, yo, let's go. Steaming it out now, guys. Sanitizing the carbon fibers. Beautiful.
Let's go take a look at the after work. I'm gonna give them a bottle of my free spotter. All right, Miss Rita, you all set? Go take a look, see what you think. Here's also a free bottle of spot out for you. Complimentary. These are in your carpet, your clothes, and even
Oh,
your
really?
home.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.